So let us start with this. We choose to have a horse. Let's say we choose this particular image. We make it bigger. We keep it here. Okay. And now we add a frame. The frame could be this. I select H, and since it's a horse, I bring it over here. Make it a bit bigger. Okay. Yep. Here we have it. I add once again the horse, put it inside this frame. Now I have this. I can do a double click to resize the image behind and make it the same size, exact same size as the image. So something like this, the exact same size, so that it completely overlaps the other one. Okay, I think there's some difference over here. Yep. Okay, now we copy this. We have another one, and we select the layer, show the layers, put this over here, and edit the image. Go to adjust, reduce the brightness to this. Here we have the shadow. Cool. Now once again we make sure that the image with this one is also exactly of the same dimension. Okay, great. Now what we do here is we add a border. So instead of 4 we keep it at 6, and we change the border color to white. Once we have all of this done, we take this image, the first image that we had, we select the layer, show the layer, and we bring this to the top. Now what we do is we edit the image, we remove the background, and we make it we only keep the head part of it, that is outside the edge. Cool. And now what we do is we download this with the transparent background. Download it. We add a new page here, and we bring it over here. Okay, and we do a flip, not the horizontal flip but the vertical flip. But I need to copy this first. Control C and Control V. Now I do the flip vertical, bring it at the bottom, make these both of these a bit shorter so that they can come in and fit in over here. Good. Great. Now what we do is we go back to elements, we add an element like this, we okay, come to colors, choose gradient, we choose this particular style in gradient, and we increase the height of it. Now we send it backward, and what we also do here is we change the first color to white. Okay, and we decrease the transparency of this one, something like this, and I believe that's what is the example that we have been talking about. We can change this background color as well to something like this. Not this one, maybe this. No, let's leave it to be white. Yeah, and we are here, we have it. We can now go and download it the way we had it there. So I hope this helps. So